Hey, what's going on, everybody? How you doing today? So I was going through some of my YouTube comments, and I have this question from Adrian. Quick question: did your S9 Plus update to 3.12.8? I received the update on the 20th, and since then my S9 has behaving totally drunk. I guess I don't need to read this. You guys can read this, but basically it's going crazy. It's not doing anything right. It's swaying back and forth, and he's saying a lot of other people are complaining about it on robot review forums. So I replied, I checked. It just updated today, actually, but I have not ran it yet. Yeah, it just started and the madness begins. Crazy weave and much longer cleaning times, docking issues, self-empty issues, slow responsiveness, you name it. So I decided, why not go ahead and test this real quick, because I checked when I got the message from him, and I did get the update today, as a matter of fact. So let's go ahead and check out the robot. So there we have it, S9 Plus, fully charged, ready to go. And just to show you, it has the new update, 3.12.8, the same one he has. New job, den, and foyer. Start now. Alright, he says basically once you start it, you'll notice it acting up right away. The responsiveness seemed fine there. Come on, Roomba, don't let me down. I have been praising this S9 like crazy. You can see it increased suction on the carpet. So as of right now, mine seems totally fine, but obviously we'll let this run and see how well it does. See how it increased suction there? That was weird. Maybe it is acting weird. I don't know if you heard that, but the rollers were not spinning as it just went that way, but they are now. You can see the difference with the roller spinning, obviously. It's a perfectly clear path, but there it wasn't. Let's see if it does that again on the way back. I don't remember that ever happening. It usually always hiccups on the thresholds just a little bit there. See, it's not spinning right now. Watch when it turns around, you'll hear it click on. That's weird. I've never seen that before, so there might be something to this guy acting up right now. See how it missed those going the other way? I don't remember it struggling so much on that threshold. I know it always kind of bumped and hit weird, but it seems like that's like an extra second. See, it clicked on the rollers that time. Really weird. And you see, with the rollers on, it does an amazing job. These leftover Fruity Pebbles, they were not engaging. But other than that, it seems to be working pretty good. See, now it's engaging and working correctly, so that's odd. And it's increasing suction like it should. Let's see if it can go back and empty itself and put itself on the dock, because that was another complaint they said. So if mine finds the home, it goes up there and empties with no problem, then it sounds like he has an issue with his software update for some reason. I'll do another full floor plan test tomorrow when I leave for work, and I will let you know if it gives me any types of errors. And I'll spread some Fruity Pebbles all over the place, and we'll see if it airs out at all. But it seems like it's working pretty well, other than a little hiccup in the beginning where for whatever reason those rollers weren't kicking on, but then it started kicking on every time. So a little bit confused on that, but it seems like it's working pretty well. Yeah, found the dock, no problem. Yeah, so it found the dock with no problem, emptied itself right away. It seemed to know where it was going, minus where it got confused because of what I put in the way. It responded to the app perfectly. And other than, like I said, the beginning, it cleaned really well. So I think mine's working perfectly fine. Once again, this is just responding to that comment. The next video, like I said, I will put this through my entire floor plan and let you know if it messes up, if it does anything weird, or if it just works perfectly. If you have any questions, or if any of you guys are having issues with this, please comment below and let me know exactly what your issues are and what it's doing, and I will try to do that test for you and see if mine's doing it at all. Also, if you're new, please do me a favor, like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. And have an awesome day. See ya.